Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this. Oh wait, it's not the power key, excuse me. This power key and this volume down. So you just press them and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down. It's like it appears here on the screen when you take it. So one last time. Power key, volume down at the same time, and screenshot appears here. You can also find all your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album. And here they are. Here are all my screenshots that I made recently. So from here you can share, edit, search them with lens, and also delete these screenshots and perform some other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.